I've looked all over the internet for a video to change the electric seat switch out for the Chevy Cruz. Didn't find anything, so I figured I'd make them for you. The only things you're going to need are a little flathead screwdriver and a T25 Torx bit. First thing I do is take this switch off, or just the switch cover off. It just pops off fairly easy and exposes the switch there. I'll set that aside. Next thing you'll need to do is on the inside corner of the seat is one Torx bit right there, and you can get it with a small drill. I'll see if I can. There you go. Okay, that comes out, and the seat cover just flexes enough to expose the switch and the plug. If you have a watch on your left hand here, when taking it off, just reach in, push the button, pull out, and then just these clips like that. If you have a 90-degree flathead screwdriver, that could assist you, but I think I'm able just to pry the bracket up a little bit with my fingernails. It's not super stiff plastic, but you pry up and just work it out, bracket by bracket. See, I just stuck my fingernails in there, pried it up a little bit, and then just pushed out with my thumb. So like half the bracket's out right now. The next thing you want to do is push down on both parts of this to get the next clip out, and then the rest of the switch will come right out. So I'm doing this one hand, and I'm going to set it down for a second there. So I'm pulling down the bracket, and this is proving to be a little more. There we go. Alright, so that's the bracket out. What I end up doing is using this thumb, and you push down aggressively because you got the same clips on the other side. Just push down a little bit harder, and then roll the switch out. Then you got your new part. Obviously the buttons are going to be facing the outside of the seat, right? And just see if I can show you here. Keep my hands out of the way here. You know, go through the holes, line it up, and you push it till it snaps in place. Let's see if I can. There we go. So what I did is I put my other hand on the other side here, and then pushed to support. And then you slide your plug back on. You could probably put the plug on before you install it. Might save you a step. Just go in your home ball. There we go. Alright, so now that that's on, just make sure it's clipped in place. Slide the one tab over where the screw was. All right, just make sure that's positioned right, so that'll make everything look right. And then you just push your, point goes forward, push your cap on, boom. I got got sunglasses on, I can't see shit. Anyways, I'll put that screw in. It's lined up, but you just want to make sure your seat switch works. Everything's all good. Hope that helps.